Hi everyone, today I will share with you my favorite gingerbread cookie recipe. This is probably the most popular Christmas cookie recipe that are loved by both kids and adults. They are simple to make, looks great when decorated, and taste amazing every time. Let's get baking. Oh yeah!
Helen's recipes.
You will need 120 g of brown sugar, 200 g bread flour, 190 g of all-purpose flour, 120 g of sifted powdered sugar, 1 egg, 145 g of unsalted butter, some vanilla extract, salt, ginger powder, cinnamon powder, baking soda, fine spice powder, and chili powder. First, beat up the unsalted butter until fluffy. Add brown sugar and beat until combined. Crack in the eggs and mixing quickly. Then add a teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix well. In a large mixing bowl, combine the bread and all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon salt, a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, a teaspoon of ginger powder, half a teaspoon of fine spice powder, and half a teaspoon of chili powder. Then sift the flour mixture into the butter mixture in 3 additions. Mix well to combine. When you finish adding all the flour, knead with your hands until the dough is formed. Wrap the dough with some saran wrap and chill in the fridge for about 20 minutes. Preheat the oven at 175 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Take out the dough and roll into a disc about 1 cm thick. Use cookie cutters to cut out the shape that you like. I have some Christmas tree, star, and flower cookie cutter here. When finished, bake the cookies for about 8 to 11 minutes depending on the size. When your kitchen is filled with the amazing fragrance and the cookies is dry to the touch, that's when it's done. Leave to cool before decorating. To make the icing for the cookie, separate the egg and gather the egg white in a bowl. Place the bowl over a saucepan of boiling water. Stir well over medium-low heat to pasteurize the egg. When it's warm to the touch, you can take off the heat. Beat up the egg white and then add 120 g of powdered sugar. Adding gradually and beat well. Then add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. When you can get this consistency, it's good. Transfer the icing to a piping bag and decorate the cookies as you wish. Decorating gingerbread cookies is indeed one of the most pleasant activities that you can do with your kids. It's a way to show off their creativity, and I'm sure you will have a great time together. Gingerbread cookies are so cute. My version is crispy on the outside and still soft on the inside. They smell amazing of all the beautiful spices, cinnamon, fine spice powder, and ginger. But I'm sure your kids can enjoy them. My daughter Amy is 3 years old, but she can enjoy these cookies with no problem. So they're not spicy at all. I hope you enjoyed the holiday seasons and the celebrations of the reunion. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!